Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2019 BMW 530e SE plug-in hybrid. I'm going to take you out for a drive in it now and try and show you some of the stuff on this particular car. It's incredibly highly spec'd. I'll miss stuff, no doubt, in the ad, but call me and I'll walk you through it. It's got everything, as far as I can see. I don't see anything else with this kind of spec we've ever had anyway. Anyway, I digress. Should you find the video on YouTube or Facebook, there's a link in its description. Click it. It takes you back to our website, shows you the specific details of the car that I miss, how to contact us, finance, all that kind of stuff. While you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. We really appreciate it. And finally, I'm just going to put the price here as to what you can finance this car for from us, should you choose to. So here we are out in the 530 SE, and all the usual things apply with these. I love them, all that kind of stuff. They're my very favorite car. This one is special, and why this one is special is this one is the highest spec one we've ever had by a country mile. As we drive along now, I'm getting an absolutely lovely massage from the seat, and I have the air-conditioned seats turned on. So even though it's a lovely warm day, muggy 22 degrees out there, I'm lovely and cool in here in the nicest possible way. It's an absolutely fabulous thing. The spec is just ferocious on it. Somebody really, you know, opened their wallet when they were ordering this car new. Right, we'll start at the start. We've got the full 360 camera on this one, which is just an incredible thing. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it can show you yourself driving sideways while you drive. Incredible. You can change the screen around, you know, all that kind of stuff. We've full Bluetooth phone connectivity, as you would expect. As I said, we've massage seats, full electric pack on the seats as well, in so much as you can actually bend the middle of the back seat around in more of a curve to make it more comfortable for you. We've an electric tilt steering wheel in this one. We have radar cruise control, which is one of my favorite things in the world. We have lane assist in this one. So this one will effectively drive itself to Cork for you, more or less, with very slight inputs from you in the meantime. Just an incredible car. The color choice on the outside is fabulous as well. I'm going to just quickly take you down both sides on the outside just to let you see it. It's an absolutely gorgeous car, super straight. From there, I want to take you back in and just let you look at the cab. There's wooden inlay on the dash. It's normally aluminium, brushed aluminium. It's like a chestnut, or I don't quite know what it is. It's lovely anyway. Just a beautiful car, like obscenely highly spec car. This would absolutely be my choice now if I was buying one of these myself. This is certainly where I'd put my money. It has everything. I've never honestly had one with more spec than this. It's a fabulous car. The condition is immaculate. I love the wheel choice on the outside versus the colour. I think the colour of the inside versus the outside as well is just spot on. I think whoever basically picked this car had really exceptional taste. It's a fantastic car. Gorgeous thing. Drives perfectly well. Full BMW service history. All the stuff you expect really from the car. But that's it. I'm going to stop talking about the car and just move on to us briefly, just to let you know who we are, should you be coming from outside Dublin to come and see us. We were one of the first ever second-hand dealers to be SIMI registered, and now we're an AA approved garage. We have been for about 2 years. It's probably more pertinent now, really, to be honest. The AA approval allows us to offer up to 2 years warranty on these cars, and a 101-point pre-sale check before the cars go out. The other thing the AA really does for us, as I always say, is the AA just says a lot about the type of business we are, type of place we are. It's very difficult to get the AA on board. They don't just allow anyone be an ambassador for their own brand because they're very protective of it, and rightly so. So I think it says a lot about the type of people we are and that kind of stuff, really. But that's it. I'm going to leave it there. I just want to say thanks for watching the video. We really appreciate you taking the time to do it. Hopefully it showed you some of the absolutely gorgeous things about this car. And then I suppose just who we are, who you can expect to meet should you come up to see us. You're going to meet myself, Colin, or you're going to meet Anthony, and that's it. Other than that though, yeah, we look forward to seeing you soon. Hopefully it showed you some of the nice bits about it. And again, yeah, we look forward to seeing you soon.